At least 10 people were reported dead and more than 80, including 23 Indian Army soldiers, missing in flash floods in Sikkim, the authorities said. Reportedly, a cloudburst over Lonak Lake in North Sikkim triggered the flash flood in the Teesta River basin. Scientists are now exploring whether the strong earthquake that struck Nepal and the surrounding region on Tuesday is responsible for the South Lonak Lake outburst. Scientists are exploring this possibility as both Nepal and Sikkim are situated on the young fold Himalayas that are understood to be still rising, causing tremors over the years. Wednesday's disaster in Sikkim also led to the breach of the Chungthang Dam, the biggest hydropower project in the state. It is part of the 1200 megawatts Teesta Stage 3 hydroelectric project in which the state government is the majority stakeholder. Satellite images released by Hyderabad-based National Remote Sensing Center showed that the area of the South Lonak Lake reduced by over 100 hectares when compared to its extent on September 17, indicating the lake outburst triggered a flash flood in the Teesta River basin in North Sikkim. According to officials, at least 8 people died and 70, including 23 army personnel, are missing. Satellite images released by the Hyderabad-based National Remote Sensing Center show sudden reduction in the area of the South Lonak Lake by over 100 hectares. The NRSC satellite imagery showed that the lake was spread over approximately 162.7 hectares. Its area increased to 167.4 hectares on September 28 and drastically reduced to 60.3 hectares. Earthquake that hit Nepal might be a cause of flash floods in Sikkim. The lake was already vulnerable and was spread across 168 hectares. Its area now has reduced to 60 hectares, so about 100 hectares of the volume of water has breached the level, a senior official at the Central Water Commission said. The official stated that while it is difficult to determine right now, a cloudburst does not cause such results. Some experts who have visited the site believe that the earthquake may have triggered the floods there. The flood alerts were also shared with Bangladesh. Sikkim has 733 glacial lakes, of which 288 are above the altitude of 5,000 meters, according to NRSC. 4 earthquakes, the strongest being of magnitude 6.2, jolted Nepal in quick succession on Tuesday, with tremors reverberating through parts of India.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.